guys, so mag-withdraw tayo ngayon dito sa Luxury Car Addiction para malaman natin if paying pa ba sila at updated po kayo dito, no? So 222 po yung ating i-withdraw. Tapos may 5% tax po, kaya 210 lang yung ating marireceive. Check natin kung mabilis pa rin po yung withdrawal nila. So payment in progress na po siya. Yan. Tignan natin po. Oh my gosh, guys. It's too mabilis. OMG. It's too mabilis, guys. You have received 210 of GCash from. Ayan po. No? Sobrang bilis, no? Ang bilis-bilis naman ng withdraw dito. Sana all. Sana magtagal pa siya. Sana hindi pa mawala si Luxury Car Addiction, guys. So, yan. Nag-success na. So, ayun, guys. Bawing-bawin na rin natin yung ating in-invest. Ang in-invest ko pala dito, guys, is 560. May 20 pesos po kasi na libre. So, ang inabil kong product is itong Maserati sa normal at saka dito sa VIP, yung 280 na VIP Maserati. Yan. Para araw-araw tayo makapag-withdraw, no? So, yun lang, guys. If you want to invest what you can afford to listen. Ilalagay ko na lang sa aking pinned comment section yung aking link. Again, paying pa po si Luxury Car Addiction. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching and happy earnings. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye!